Morning, how's everybody? We are back with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, a big day today for the markets. They are going to get a reading on the payroll data today, long awaited, long delayed payroll data, which was delayed because of the shutdown of the US government. The markets are anxious about it. Seems that there's a bit of a risk off mood in the market since yesterday because the markets are concerned that the payroll number may not be as bad as the markets would uh, want it to be. This is a bit of a bad news is good news scenario because obviously the numbers are not great. That would lead to another rate cut in January, which is what the markets want. But it seems that the numbers may not be as bad as the markets would like. And if they're too bad, that would be an indicator for recession. So that is again making the markets a bit nervous. Uh, as a result of that, all three markets, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq, all seem to have dipped. With that, Bitcoin also fell overnight, dropped to about 85,000. It has climbed since, but is still hovering around the 87,000 mark. Oil prices have literally gone through the floor on top of a Ukraine peace deal. It seems that, like Donald Trump said, we are closer than ever before. So that is causing oil prices to drop. Gold prices have also been falling. It has dropped to about to below 4,300, which is good. And I think it'll fall further if the markets rally today. The euro is gaining ground against the US dollar. The euro will continue to gain, I think, as the markets are aiming for another rate cut in January. As long as that is the case, the US dollar will remain weak. So on the whole, markets are in a risk-off mood, anxious because of the payroll data, which we will be getting in about uh, 2.5 hours from now at 1:30 p.m. UK time, 8:30 a.m. New York time. So watch out for that. That is going to be an indicator of the market's next move. My prediction is that the payroll data is actually going to be either the same or better than before. We are not going to see a huge drop in the number of job outlets and the number of job openings. And that is going to be somewhat disappointing for the markets, and the markets will actually drop. That is my prediction. And I think with that, Bitcoin will also suffer and will drop down, and gold prices will probably rally. Oil prices will continue to go down as long as the peace deal is still on the table. So that is the story so far. We will keep you posted as the news comes through with regards to the payroll data. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and we'll be back with you with more.